Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, welcome to IWM. So, how is feeling to be this part of this short film?
It's feeling really, really great. The story is very interesting and I'm very happy to be part of it.
Okay, what will be your character about, and what was the challenges you faced during this?
Oh, okay. So I'm playing the character of Suman, and it's a very, what they call bold character, bold scenes, which I've never done before. There's no nudity and all, but it's suggested. So for me, that's something very new. And I've usually stayed away from, roles and characters like this. But this story in particular was something amazing, and I felt that to be part of it in any way would be really great. So I really trust the directors and the team as well. So that's why I just jumped in and said yes.
Okay, what is the one thing you love about this story?
You'll have to watch it to know, because I can't give away the secret. But then the message that it gives is of inclusiveness and understanding. So that's something that really drew me to the story.
Okay, so how much do you enjoy working with the other co-stars of the show?
It was so much fun. They made me feel super comfortable. So I walked in. I've actually been away from the industry for a couple of years. So today's my stepping back in. And I was thinking, how will they be? How will they react? But everyone's just been so warm and lovely. And of course, doing a scene that is a little bit risky and out of my comfort zone, everyone made me feel really nice, and we were just laughing throughout. So it was lovely.
Okay, what other shows you will preparing to come again?
I don't know actually. So I can't name the names. I am getting calls for certain shows. But again, I don't want to go for very, very bold and risky characters. And here I really liked the story. So that's why I said yes.
So, which genre you're looking forward?
Pardon?
Which genre you're looking forward?
I'm not sure. There are a couple of things in the pipeline which I'm excited about, but I can't really talk about it. They made me sign an NDA. So
Okay, why should audience watch this web show? Give a 3 reason.
okay, so the first reason is Kahani Mein Twist. There's an amazing twist in all of these episodes. The other one is the cast. It's an incredibly talented cast who's kind of putting their whole and soul into the characters. And reason number 3 would be the director and the team. So the way that they have put everything together, like I said, things that are very touchy, sensitive subjects, they've handled it very delicately. So those are the 3 reasons.
Any message you want to give to the audience apart from this?
Definitely not. Watch it and let us know what you think. Hi, this is Neena Sarkar and you are watching IWM Bus.